What is up, gang? JD from the DeFi Insider here. Today I'm actually quite excited to share with you this winning EMPMoney strategy, to really win it big in 2022, by leveraging the sustainably profitable and clever ecosystem of EMP. The EMP protocol is indeed highly lucrative and well thought, but most importantly guys, it's a completely fresh new crypto yield farming low-risk high-reward opportunity, where it's still early to join in, before it really hits mainstream and explodes. The incredible thing is, EMPMoney is designed to work perfectly on both bear and bull markets. The DeFi Insider channel is 100% fully dedicated to educate the public and my subscribers about the newest DeFi passive income opportunities, as early as possible, and in the most transparent and detailed way. You see, the reason DeFi is such an awesome stream for passive income, is the more joining the party and keeping the protocol healthy, the more everyone wins. If this sounds awesome to you too, like this video, and smash that subscribe button below. Don't forget to tick the bell icon, so you will never miss another fresh DeFi passive income opportunity ever again. As always, this is not financial advice. This video was made for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm simply sharing with you my own journey, strategies and results, so you guys will have the advantage to learn from it. So now we've covered the basics, let's dive in. So what exactly is EMPMoney? Inspired by Tomb Finance, an algorithmic protocol using seigniorage, EMPMoney offers the first decentralized algorithmic stablecoin on Binance Smart Chain, pegged to the price of Ethereum via seigniorage at a rate of 4,000 EMP to 1 ETH. The EMPMoney project is fully audited, as well as KYC verified. It also enjoys a collaborative, super engaged and positive community, that you too can connect with via Discord or Telegram. The platform takes advantage of a whole ecosystem built around EMP, that is aimed to put the precious Ethereum to work for us without the insanely expensive fees and slow processing speed from Ethereum blockchain. If you look at the success of Tomb Finance, which is built on the Phantom network, you can see the growth potential of this young and strong protocol. Take into consideration that the Binance Smart Chain is much bigger than Phantom's, so you can appreciate the size of potential growth once this hits mainstream. The latest strategy suggests to split your investment with around 30% in the farms, and 70% in the Detonator protocol. If you don't know what is the Detonator protocol, I strongly encourage you to check out my complete step-by-step tutorial on how to make hundreds of dollars per day, utilizing this passive income smart contract. You can find the link to the full video in the description section of this video. In this video we will cover the winning strategies to maximize the earnings from the amount investment in the EMPMoney farms. So let's first dig deeper into the EMPMoney platform, so we can fully understand its ecosystem and how to best leverage it. The farms. Farms give investors an easy way to get hold of eShare, which is the limited supply governance token of EMPMoney. Essentially, it allows us to stake different variations of LPs, which are consisted of EMP, or eShare tokens, coupled with another cryptocurrency such as ETH, or BNB. In return for us staking our LPs in these farms, we are being rewarded with a daily percentage of profit, in the form of eShare tokens. This leads us to the boardroom. The boardroom is the money printer of EMPMoney, which distributes EMP to all stakers when it's above peg. As long as the time-weighted average price of EMP is bigger than 1.01, the boardroom prints EMP every epoch, based on the predetermined emissions rate, based on the current supply. These rewards are distributed to everyone who has staked their eShare in the boardroom. So basically, in the boardroom we can then stake the eShares we earned in the farms, and in return we will be rewarded with this APR in the form of EMP tokens. Keep in mind that any interaction with the boardroom will reset both timers. That's 3 epochs, or 18 hours, to withdraw your EMP rewards, and 6 epochs to unstake your eShare, which is 36 hours. Great. Now before I share with you the complete strategy, there is one more concept we need to understand, and that's e-bonds. So what are e-bonds? Bonds are unique tokens that can be utilized to help stabilize EMP price around peg, by reducing the circulating supply of EMP if the time-weighted average price goes below peg, or 1.01. Basically, as soon as the platform is below peg, we are able to buy e-bonds. Whenever we are above peg again, these e-bonds can then be redeemed with a chunky bonus on top of it, in the form of EMP. Perfect. So now after we understood the main parts of the EMPMoney ecosystem, let's go into the actual strategies you want to utilize. But first, I want to also show you a very useful tool that will help us to automate some parts of our strategy. The Autovolts. Another advantage of being in the EMP Money ecosystem is its own auto-compounding vault, hosted by YieldWolf.finance, which is designed to maximize your earning potential. Essentially, staking either EMP ETH LP or eShare BNB LP tokens in these vaults rewards you with more of the same LP tokens as the ones you have deposited. But here is where the auto-compounder magic steps in. Every set amount of minutes, the Autovolts harvest the eShare that you've earned, and sell a portion of it. The proceeds are then further used to mint more LP tokens on PancakeSwap, which are again deposited into the auto-compounder, further growing your allocation, all in an automated way. Now to the winning strategy. Here's the deal. As long as we are above peg, the following profit distribution is highly recommended. Use 10% of profits to stake into the eShare BNB LP auto-compounder or farm, to grow your eShare. Use 75% profits to put into EMP ETH LP auto-compounder or farm, to add stability to the ecosystem, and grow your EMP ETH LP balance. This type of LP can be also used as a deposit for the Detonator protocol. Now use 10% profits to stake eShare in the boardroom to earn more EMP. And sell 5% into stablecoins or other preferred tokens for profit, or to eventually buy EMP, when we are below peg. Awesome. Now every few days, go ahead and claim your earned EMP from the boardroom, and use it in the following way. Pair 90% of your EMP with fresh ETH, and add it to the EMP ETH LP pool, or Autovolts, to earn more eShares. Sell 5 to 10% of your EMP for stablecoin for profit-taking or future usage if EMP is below peg. So there you go. Simply stake and claim your rewards following this distribution, and not only that you will maximize your potential earning from this ecosystem, you will also keep the protocol healthy, which of course contributes to its long-term sustainability. Whenever EMP is below peg, the best move becomes to purchase E-bonds, to ensure the ecosystem gets back to peg, while earning healthy profits from the redemption bonus. And that's really it. Simply rinse and repeat this process consistently and patiently, and you are all set for huge success. This strategy will also position you very well in the ecosystem, so you can enjoy the benefits when markets recover, public adoption grows, and token prices moon. Make sure to get involved and use the comments section below to raise any questions you might have about this process. Also, share with us your thoughts on what you believe the EMP token price might reach in the coming year. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like it, and also subscribe to this channel so we'll keep producing high-quality content for you. Thanks for watching.